Hi guys, Pragyan here, currently a first year MBBS student at AIIMS New Delhi, and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'll be unboxing these egurukul 3.0 notes which I ordered a couple of days back. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So guys, let's first talk about the box. तो बॉक्स पे यहाँ पर लिखा है egurukul and यहाँ पर लिखा है we are a family, and the box is really sturdy and nicely packed, and of course the box is heavy as well because it has notes of all the 19 subjects of MBBS. Now let's get into it and let's start with the unboxing. So guys, now let's open the box. Wow. So we have another small box inside this big box, and this is a surprise. Now let's see what we have got inside this. Oh great. So I think this is a goodie box in which we have all this stuff. So we have three markers, three CD markers of different colors, you can see. Then we have this small diary. Then we have two paper clips. Then we have two markers as well to highlight our notes. And then we also have a bunch of bookmarks like these. There are many bookmarks on which shloks in Sanskrit are written. So guys, these bookmarks are really interesting. So I liked all the things in this goodie box. It was really thoughtful of egurukul to send this box to me. Thanks a lot for this one. And this box also has some threads which I am not sure what to do with. So guys, before moving further, let's open this diary as well. Okay, so this is the diary. And in the starting we have sticky notes as well, on which we can write some important points and we can stick in our book. And also we have this diary where we can write our daily timetable or schedule. So before moving further, I kept all that stuff aside to create space for these large amount of notes. So now let's take out the notes one by one. Okay, so this is anatomy, and this is FMT. And I would say that the cover of these notes are really interesting. They are eye-catching. This is ophthalmology. This is medicine. This is PSM and ENT. This is pathology. This is psychiatry. This is obstetrics. Anesthesia. Radiology. Dermatology. Pharmacology. And this is gynecology. This is pediatrics. Oh guys, these notes are not ending. This is orthopedics. This is microbiology. This is physiology. Surgery. And this is biochemistry. So finally I've taken out all the notes of all the 19 subjects. So now I'll talk about them one by one. So guys, just to create some space, I have removed that empty box from the table and I have arranged these notes kind of systematically. Now, because currently I'm studying in first year, so I'll be reviewing the notes of anatomy, physiology and biochemistry because these are the subjects which are taught in first year. So guys, now I'll talk about these anatomy notes. So on the first page, they have talked about Dr. Ashwini sir, who teaches anatomy in a unique and amazing way, which will definitely make you fall in love with anatomy. So guys, now I'll talk about some of the features of these notes which I really like. So the first feature is that they have provided these active spaces on almost every page where you can write down the important points while reading standard books. Now the next feature which I like is that they have provided these colored diagrams and figures on almost every page. And as it is rightly said, that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Yes guys, it is written behind the book as well. So definitely yes guys, pictorial memory is always better and is retained for longer, especially in a subject like anatomy. Guys, they have added previous year questions as well in these notes, which are really helpful. And guys, one of the features which I really like is that they have provided the timestamps. Like if you are reading this topic, that is posterior triangle, then you can refer to the same video in the egurukul app for this duration 13 minutes 15 seconds, and you can, if you have a doubt in this topic, then you can see the video as well to clear it completely. And guys, they have highlighted the key points and the important points as well for quicker revision. So these were some of the features which I really liked about these notes. And on similar lines, the physiology and the biochemistry notes have been prepared. So I won't waste your time repeating the same thing again for them. And there's a suggestion for you guys that you should definitely read the standard books while a topic is being taught in your college. And you can refer to these notes just for the preparation of your exam, because you won't have enough time to prepare from the standard books just before the exam, because we all know that a huge syllabus is asked in the MBBS exams. And guys, they have tried to keep you motivated by these cool motivational quotes that they have given at the back side of all the books. For example, the mind is not a vessel but a fire to be ignited. And teachers can open the door but you must enter it yourself. So like these motivational quotes are on all the books at the back side, which is also a cool feature which I liked about these notes. Guys, I have used the egurukul app as well for watching the concept videos, and they have definitely strengthened a lot of my concepts. So if you are also interested in buying any course or notes at egurukul, then you can definitely use my code, that is PRGS77, for availing amazing discounts. So that's it for today guys. I hope you liked this unboxing video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Signing off, bye bye.